I was the favorite whipping boy.
So, Mr. President, hindi po totoo yung nasa video po. Ano po, Mr. President?
Totoo yan.
So, nagpa-plan po talaga kayo ng evidence?
Well, that was a part of the strategy as a mayor and as the leader of the law enforcement agency in the city.
Thank you, Mr. President. At maraming po salamat, Mr. Chairman, and I'll be yielding back my time.
Salamat, Congressman Dan Fernandez.
Mr. Chair.
The next to interpolate
Mr. Chair.
is, what is the pleasure of
In connection, isang tanong lang po in connection kay sa mga katanungan ni Honorable Dan
This is in
Fernandez.
relation to Congressman
Yes.
Dan Fernandez's...
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Okay, please, you have 2 minutes.
Mr. President, magandang hapon po. According po sa inyo, sa mga pangako nyo ng kampanya na tumatakbo po kayong presidente, na lilinisin nyo po yung ating bansa para sa ating mga anak. Pangako nyo po yun.